Attraction with girls can be created using telepathy, but you have to learn how to use your mind correctly. If you Google how to attract a girl, then you're going to get 1,000 different tips like do not be needy, try to make her laugh, use your body language to build confidence. And all of these things are what is known as outer game tactics. These are all the behaviors that stem from your own self image, from your own inner game. If you have properly nourished your inner game, if you have learned how to use your mind correctly, if you have learned the secret of telepathy, then you do not have to worry about how to not be needy, how to make her laugh, how to use your body language to build confidence. All these outer game tactics taught by pickup gurus and dating coaches will naturally be demonstrated by you if you have properly learned the secret of telepathy and your mind. Neville Goddard says imagination creates reality. Now, if you can properly create a very strong imagination in your mind where you are talking to a girl of your dreams and she is smiling at you, she is playing with her hair, she is complimenting you, saying things like, "Oh my God, you're so amazing." You can see that her pupils are dilated because she is so attracted to you. Then this imagination will get externalized into your visible world. But you have to learn how to impress this imagination into your subconscious mind. This is the real secret of telepathy. It's all in your mind. And whatever you do in your mind will happen in your external reality because your mind extends as your own physical reality. Your physical reality is not real, even though you perceive everything in your physical reality to be very solid. It is absolutely an illusion. And I studied this during COVID lockdown. When I was not allowed to game anyone, I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks. To heal these annoying mental health issues, I decided to study about spirituality, meditation, consciousness, and that's when I found out that yogis have always called our physical reality as Maya. The word Maya means illusion or a magical light. Yogis have always known that whenever they upgraded their state of consciousness, their physical reality magically shifted. So, right now, if you're facing situations in your life that do not please you, then I am 100% sure that your state of consciousness is low. What makes a state of consciousness low? Your mental imagery, the feelings that you hold in your body, the self talk that happens in your mind. These all things determine your state of consciousness. I use state of consciousness and inner game synonymously. So if you upgrade your inner game, your physical reality will naturally change. Just like a flower naturally happens from a healthy plant. You only have to focus on your inner game, on your mental imagery, on the feelings, on the power of your mind, on your telepathy, on your imagination in order to change your visible reality. You only need imagination, feelings, telepathy in order to attract the girl that you desire. Now, what you have to do first in order to use telepathy in order to attract a girl is get into a receptive attitude of mind. And that is done through Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra or non-sleep deep rest protocol is a process where you guide your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation or a sense of sleepiness. This is when your breathing rate starts to slow down. When your breathing rate starts to slow down, your brain waves start to slow down as well. Right now, your brain is producing beta brain waves. But if you do Yoga Nidra correctly, your brain will be able to produce this slow, coherent alpha brain waves and theta brain waves. Now, your brain is going to be able to think in pictures. All these pictures, this mental imagery, are now ready to go and impress themselves upon your fertile mind. your deeper mind, your subconscious mind. So after you do Yoga Nidra, what you're going to do is you start to create an imaginal act where the things that you want have already happened to you. You can visualize that the girls that you desire are talking to you, they're falling in love with you, you're kissing them, you are holding them in your arms, and you provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act. The things that you can see, the things that you can hear from these girls, the things that you can smell. Maybe you guys are drinking coffee together. The things that you can taste, touch. When you provide all the sensory vividness to your imaginal act, your brain starts to think that all these wonderful things are happening to you in real time. Now the third step is you have to place your attention on this imaginal act and mentally rehearse them over and over again until you start to feel the feelings of joy or gratitude or satisfaction or thrill. But this is difficult because your attention has a very monkey-like nature. It likes to go to one past traumatic event, or it starts to jump to another future worst case scenario of your life. But if you manage to discipline your attention and place it on the imagination where you are attracting the girls that you desire, then you have now combined imagination with elevated positive feelings. This imagination plus feeling comprises of a program that is ready to go into your subconscious mind. Now, when this program gets into the subconscious mind, your subconscious mind now knows what you want, and it starts to interact with every atom of your physical reality until everything that you have imagined starts to materialize in your world. Your subconscious mind is infinitely intelligent and infinitely wise. You do not have to do a single thing after you have programmed your subconscious mind correctly. You will be compelled to utter the right kinds of words, to look at the girl a certain flirtatious way. Girls in your world will be compelled to notice you, to compliment you, to fall in love with you. People in your visible world will be compelled in such a way that situations naturally arise where you attract the girl of your dreams. Everyone in your visible world, including yourself, is going to lose free will once you have programmed your subconscious mind correctly. It's all subconscious mind. You're not doing anything. So please remove your ego out of this. So this is why I say that do not listen to dating coaches and pickup gurus on how to attract girls, because they do not know that their visible reality is completely controlled by their subconscious mind. They have unconsciously programmed their subconscious mind to be able to attract girls, and they think that their pickup tricks, their psychology tricks are doing the trick, are doing the thing for them, but they are deluded. It's all subconscious mind. It has always been your subconscious mind that creates your visible reality. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you build a solid inner game so that you can completely disregard all these outer game tactics, pickup gurus, dating coaches, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below. By the way, I want you to do this meditation process for 30 days before falling asleep, because only if you invest a certain amount of time and money, energy, you're going to develop the muscles of your imagination, your attention, your capacity to hold these positive feelings. And when you wake up in the morning, forget about it. Just do this as an experiment. Offer this experiment to God, to universe, to whatever you believe in. When you wake up in the morning, just live your life normally. That way, you're not going to be anxious or concerned about whether or not your visualization is going to come true. Because the more anxious, concerned you feel, you're pushing this wonderful visualization further and further away from you. But if you forget about it, if you just do this experiment as an offering, then you become a magnet for all these wonderful things happening to you. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.